The really current exchanging volume of Avalanche basically is at $3 of 11,168 or 36 which explicitly is genuinely huge. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram. Avax's medium-term support really remained at then 1368, which truly is very critical. Avalanche's MA10 in every way that really matters shows a vertical pattern, which truly is very critical. 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these regularly, especially sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What basically is transient cost expectation for Avalanche? Basically is Avax a kind of wise speculation, which generally is very huge. Avalanche support and opposition levels and so on in an all things considered huge way. In any case, prior to plunging extremely profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which really is very critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to 547.85 and 58, 366 in every way that really matters, significant way. The essentially complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at 138, 382, 160, 151 in a sort of enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,546.32 level after a decay of 111%, showing how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the Avax specialized examination really let us in every practical sense discuss the especially current economic situations, which generally is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 3.2% coming to $3.5 in 1983 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $202, following a value change of 165% inside a similar time span in a very large manner. BNB, the local coin of BNB, most certainly is somewhere around 3.8 and presently exchanging at $555.36, so Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in a buy and large significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.61 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 178% in esteem in an extremely huge way. These occasions in a real sense show that the market in every way that really matters is going in an exceptionally descending course for truly present moment, exhibiting that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline in a fundamentally huge manner. As of now, a sort of broad, extremely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 3.2% coming to $3.5 on 1983 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. Avalanche. Backing and obstruction, backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in a real sense shows what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,546.32 level after a decay of 111%, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging in every way that really matters profound into the Avax specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations. Support, in a real sense, is a level at which purchases fundamentally become kind of more certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so the especially current exchanging volume of Avalanche most certainly is at $3 as 11,168.36 as in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors sort of become move sort of dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Avalanche Avax Avalanche execution. The genuinely current Avalanche cost by and large is $63.34, with an exchanging volume of $3.11,168.36 as in them. Fundamentally beyond 24 hours, especially further appearance how 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will for the most part walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually explicitly sought clarification on some things facts, What explicitly is, for the most part, momentary cost expectation for Avalanche really is Avax or Wise Venture, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Right now, Avax generally is up by 12.43% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $23,978, 562 Oz West, which especially shows that these occasions for the most part show that the market in every practical sense is going in a really descending course for sort of present moment, exhibiting that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avalanche Value Examination Avax Cost Investigation for 18 Walk 2024 inside a fundamentally everyday time span generally made sense of underneath. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving certainly normal combination and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving commonly normal SMA and outstanding moving certainly normal MA2 in every practical sense, examine the future development of the Avalanche, showing how BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, especially is somewhere around 3.8 and presently exchanging at about 555.36, so Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, while Avax's Williams percent R pointer basically is at 46.57 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign truly is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Avax specialized examination, especially let us truly discuss the really current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. The Avax moving most certainly normal combination and disparity MACD pointer really is showing a by and large present moment fundamentally sell, especially signal, as the MACD line for the most part is moving beneath sort of sign line, which sort of means especially bears essentially are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. The fundamentally relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the Avax coin especially is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 29, showing how while Avax's Williams percent R pointer for the most part is at 46.57 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange in every practical sense, signal truly is somewhat conceivable at this reach, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us in every practical sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Ends there for the most part had been a quite certain pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin will truly proceed with its vertical development as kind of lengthy as it generally stays in the kind of green region in every practical sense. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $202, following a value change